2012 has almost come to an end, but was it complete without the spicy gossips, candid revelations and confessions by our B-Town stars? Well, it wasn't. और इसीलिए आज हम अपने शो पर लाए हैं Zoom की न्यूज हेड मधुरिता मुखर्जी के साथ हुई कुछ ऐसे स्टार्स के कैंडिड चैट्स की झलक who made headlines. So, gear up. सबसे पहले बात खान्स की जो रहे इन न्यूज ऑल थ्रू द ईयर, starting with Dabangg Khan, who got candid with Bro Arbaz in his own bratty way.
Salman has this superstar stature, right? So how difficult is it to write a role for him? You don't have to always write something that matches up to his...
No, you don't. He takes any role and he can make it, that is the best part about him. Yeah. That's the best part about, the way he can take a very ordinary scene and an ordinary moment and make it an iconic scenario. So that is the great advantage now. I will be, working outside. That is one of my biggest fears. It's like, I'll be on my own. I'll not have a star of his,
No, but you can come home, you discuss at home in the night, we'll have those many fights even though I'm not there to film.
But that disadvantage I feel I might have, if there's a scene and it has to be enhanced in a certain way, just his presence will take it. But that'll be one more exciting.
Yeah, but your older brother is there now, yeah. He can come home and same fight we'll have again. You said, but you're not in the film, you're not there in the film. I said, but you're there in the film. You're there, I'm there. इसको reshoot कराओ, इसको ऐसा मत करो, ये गाना change करो. भाई हमारा यार.
That'll be great. It's like it's great working with him, and the kind of
अभी पिक्चर रिलीज नहीं हुई, दूसरों के साथ काम करने की बातें ऑलरेडी करना शुरू कर दिया. I'll be working with somebody else.
He has no dates for the next 3 years. I can't be sitting, hopefully, if I get an opportunity to
मतलब
work.
कि अभी एक पिक्चर 47 की 46 की उम्र में एक पिक्चर डायरेक्ट की है. अब 3 साल के अंदर फटाक से 2-3 पिक्चर और करनी है. हेलो यार, ये अभी तक तो चुप बैठे थे. सडनली
इनका बस चले तो और 5 साल बैठा रहे.
रिक्वेस्ट दी ऑडियंस, ये पिक्चर देखो, ओवरफ्लो इतना आ जाए कि घर बैठो आराम से.
And then came his exclusive revelation about Rani Mukherjee's marital status.
Salman, I have to tell you something very funny. Recently, we were talking to Rani Mukherjee.
नहीं हंसे तो हम लोग.
नहीं. You will find this funny. Recently, we were talking to Rani Mukherjee, and she said, Salman and I are the only ones who are always asked about our marriage. So maybe we should get married to each other.
No, but she's married, no?
Oh, is she?
इसमें आधी सच्चाई है.
ये माइंड ब्लोइंग था, पूरे इंटरव्यू में बेस्ट डायलॉग है. क्या बात है.
देखो डायरेक्टर को चुना है हमने डायरेक्टर के लिए.
सही है.
ये नहीं है क्योंकि हमारे भाई हैं, ये बहुत टैलेंटेड है.
इनके पास वन लाइनर
बहुत कमाल का है.
सलमान की चुलबुल मस्ती छोड़कर बढ़ चलते हैं उनके राइवल शाहरुख खान की ओर. जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्या वो बिलीव करते हैं 100 करोड़ क्लब को ज्वाइन करने में, so SRK remembered his shoe size, wittiness personified. That's SRK for you.
With every Friday that comes nowadays, there's a lot of this, 100 crore, 200 crore. Do you think, as an artist, as a product of Bollywood, it takes away from the creativity of filmmaking? There's so much of pressure on the numbers you got to deliver. Did you, as a producer or as an actor, feel that?
I know the number of my shoes better than I know the number of my last film's collection. It's 42 and a half on 9 if I take it in India. I know a few telephone numbers of my friends. I don't know my account number. I know the numbers that I see on a watch. I don't know collection numbers at all. So if you don't know something, it doesn't bother you. Those who want to have those collection numbers, God bless them. And if they want to lead their life as accountants rather than creative artists, that also is wonderful. I'm not judging them. I think you make a film for a reason. I make a film for 20 years now. I've made about 70 films. Each film has been made so that you feel what I'm trying to tell you. And I can never tell you, so put your hand here, put your heart here, put your eyes here, put your smell here, and tell me on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like it? It's just that feeling. And is it a good feeling? Is it a bad feeling? Is it an awful feeling? Is it a nice, happy feeling? That's what I try to gauge when my film comes out. I've never been able to number it. And because I don't know those numbers, I still get very bothered if the shoe is 9 or 8.5, rather than on Friday I've got 30 crores, 20 crores or 5 crores. That's such mobile. I mean, you know, I'd rather have a comfortable pair of shoes with the size that I know than know that on Friday it's X crores and Y crores. I can't do it. I don't do it. I'm a producer.
Yeah.
My office gets very angry that I don't do it. But I can't do it. It's something I've not been able to do for the last 10 years of my own life as a producer. I can't do it in my team, Kolkata Knight Riders. All the businesses that these are the two ones that I do. Numbers have never been my main thrust of work.
चलिए शाहरुख, आप अपने शू साइज को ही याद रखिए. We will move on to the perfectionist आमिर खान, जिन्होंने अपने स्टारडम पर बात की.
Now, Amir, with every movie, like your superstardom is like you're raising the bar, raising the bar. How does Amir Khan keep himself grounded?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I'm not making any special effort to remain grounded. I am what I am, I guess,
Yeah.
you know. And I don't feel the need to feel something special about myself. I think I'm a regular person like anyone else. So I never felt the need that I need. What do I do to feel grounded? I don't have that problem. I'm quite happy with the way I am, and I don't think I'm any great shakes. So I'm fine.
Not only this, Amir ne ki baat on the Khan war as well.
You know, media always keeps talking about these Khan wars, Amir. Is there really, I mean, a war out there?
Not for me. There's
Yeah.
no war for me.
Yeah. Do you ever talk about it? Do you ever feel the competition?
No, no.
Forget with the Khans, you know, you've been in the industry for so many
Yeah,
years.
no, I
Do you
don't
still
compete.
Feel?
I don't feel like competing with anyone.
Yeah.
And I don't feel threatened, or nor do I feel the need to surpass anyone.